Welcome to the Triple J Show!
And we will be talking about Le Chatelier's principle.
So before we explain what Le Chatelier's principle is, we must understand what equilibrium is. Equilibrium is a state of balance due to the equal action or movement of opposing forces. Le Chatelier's principle was created by Henry Louis Le Chatelier and states that if a stress is added to a system, the system will respond to relieve and compensate for that stress. There are three types of stress: 1. Concentration, 2. Temperature, and 3. Pressure. For this presentation, we will be focusing on concentration. However, on the sheet provided, pressure and temperature will be elaborated on.
So don't forget, before you start your experiment, to practice safety rules. Tie your hair. Roll up your sleeves. Take off any excess jewelry. You don't want it in the way of your experiment. Put on your goggles. Put on some gloves.
The materials that we need are H2O, HCl, a petri dish, a medicine dropper, a stirring rod, a watch glass, a scapula, and coarse salt, which is non-iodized. First, we add 50 milliliters of water into the petri dish. Then we add a few scoops of coarse salt. So this is the final product. Remember the rule, always add acids. Then we'll add some HCl. This reaction is an example of Le Chatelier's principle because adding salt to water creates two aqueous solutions, which are sodium and chlorine. This reaction favors the product side, which shifts to the right. The hydrochloric acid is used to reverse the reaction. The reverse reaction occurs when more concentration of chlorine is added. This reaction favors the reactant side, which shifts to the left. This creates the salt to crystallize again. Therefore, this reaction is at equilibrium.
Thank you for watching this special episode on the Triple J Show.